You know that sinking feeling. The engine sputters, the dashboard lights flash warnings, and suddenly, silence. You are miles from home, and the battery is dead. It's not just an inconvenience, it's a genuine safety concern, leaving you stranded in the dark. You need a solution that doesn't just work, but works when you need it most, regardless of the conditions outside. This unit changes the dynamic of roadside preparedness. I've been testing jump starters for years, and most of them feel like glorified jump cables. They are bulky, unreliable, and frankly, they often fail when the pressure is on. I remember being stuck on a rainy night, the temperature dropping fast. The cold metal of the car door felt freezing against my gloves, and the frustration was palpable. Nothing works until you find a unit that delivers serious, consistent power, not just a quick burst that fizzles out after 2 uses. You need reliability that withstands the elements and the stress of a deep discharge. What stands out about the NOCO Boost X is the sheer power capacity. It's rated at 1,750 amps, which is enough to handle everything from a large gas engine up to a 7.5L vehicle, or a 5.0L diesel. But the performance isn't just about the initial jump, it's the safety features. The UltraSafe 2.0 technology provides upgraded spark-proof and reverse polarity protection, giving you peace of mind. Another detail I appreciated was the turbocharge capability. If you're completely drained, it can gain enough power for a jump start in just 5 minutes. The integrated 60-second timer is smart, conserving energy while delivering up to 9 starts per charge. Beyond the jump capability, it functions as a powerhouse. The 60-watt USB-C power delivery port means you can charge phones, tablets, and even some laptops simultaneously. It's also a high-output portable power bank. And for added utility, the unit includes a 200-lumen LED flashlight with 7 modes. Most comparable units I've looked at from major brands run into the $400 range, which is overkill. This Boost X provides comparable, robust performance at a significantly lower price point. If I had one minor critique, it is that the unit is somewhat heavy, making it a bit cumbersome to carry in a small trunk space. Picture this, it's 4 a.m. Rain is sheeting down, and your headlights barely cut through the mist. You hear the distinct click of the connection making, and suddenly, the engine catches. The rush of warmth and relief is immediate. You can hear the steady hum of the revived engine, knowing that because of this unit, your day, and your journey, is back on track. It's that feeling of total control in a moment of crisis. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.